Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to use no copyright music from my channel and monetize it. And if you like this video, just subscribe to channel and let's start. So first of all, you should choose music that you like. I will choose this big mix. And okay, I like the first one. I just copy, open new tab, EpidemicSound. So open EpidemicSound, click on Start Free Trial, Music for my personal channels, and create account. I recommend to use your email that you use on YouTube for your YouTube channel. Okay, gmail.com, then password, strong password. I agree, I'm over 16, continue. Okay, save if you want. So then you should link your account to the EpidemicSound here, YouTube channel. So you open your account. I should create a channel, create channel. Maybe you already have your account, you don't wanna do it. Okay, I have my channel, I have link to it here. I paste here, select my account and press continue. So now you see here 1 month free, and at all it will cost £10 per month. It's at about 12 euros, but first month free. And you should link your credit card, but don't be afraid, it's only get maybe $1 from your card, and after 1 day it will return to your card. And I recommend to use not your general credit card, the other one. Use just the other one and everything will be okay. You can cancel subscription every time that you want. So we just print first name, last name. Okay, first name, your real first name that on credit card, and real last name that on your credit card. Then card number, I already have it here. Print card number, month, year, month, year, and CVV, and start free trial. Welcome to EpidemicSound and explore music. You just linked your credit card and you can cancel the subscription every time that you want. So don't be afraid. Just if you're afraid, use the not your general credit card. So create playlist, like playlist haha. Okay, so we selected that music. We just copy and click on here and search the music. Just delete that dash and extra spaces. So just listen. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it. So we just add this to our playlist, or download full mix. Can verify your okay, we just should verify it on our Gmail or your email account everywhere. So okay, next. Okay, done. Turn off. Okay, turn off features. Okay, EpidemicSound. Oh, that Gmail. Okay, open EpidemicSound letter and verify email. So email address confirmed. For now, we go to we added it to our playlist, and for now we can see it in our playlist. Can listen one more time. Yeah, that's it. So for now, click on download full mix. It's downloading. Okay, we have it. For now we can see like that our video is uploading. We just add some title, add some description, thumbnail if you want, select your playlist. Yeah, just do a simple actions to upload your video. Now it's processing. Okay, no, it's not made for kids. Okay, we don't need end screen. I just press next. Okay, and checks if video contains copyrighted claim. So we see that copyright, no issues found. It's all working. So we have our video. We just put it on publish, and we have our link. Just close, open our channel videos, like open video. We hear that sound, that music. Okay, everything is okay, and we see that it's public and it's don't have restrictions. So we got it. We have our no copyright music. We have our EpidemicSound subscription where we can download music from my channel, all music from EpidemicSound. You can easily find it, like I can choose Ghost Town Apollo, Control C, and here search. Just delete that dash and extra spaces, and yeah, here it is. We can also download full mix, so that's not a problem. And we have subscription for 1 month, and for our channel that we linked, here's mine, and we can cancel subscription at our account and click on cancel subscription if you want. If you see that today is 18 December, and if you see that it's 18 of January, it ends 18 December, you can open EpidemicSound at 17 and click on cancel subscription, and it will not charge your card. So the music wasn't right to me. Submit. Okay, we see that it's cancelled, and our money on our card and we have no copyright music. So if you cancel your subscription, it will not restrict your current videos that already on your channel. I can reload. You see, I canceled my subscription. Okay, continue. And restrictions, none. But if you load new video with cancelled subscription, it will not work. You will get copyright claim from EpidemicSound. So that's it. So subscribe on my channel if you like that video, listen my music, and bye bye.